This is how you change a video that was filmed in portrait, which is up and down, into landscape. Pretty simple to do, as you saw. But you have to know how to find this place first. So let's back out of here, and I'll show you how to get here. So from your home screen, you want to find your Photos app. If you can't find it here, just tap on the search at the bottom, start typing in Photos, and it'll pop up. And you open the Photos app, you find a video that is currently in portrait that you want to change to landscape. And you tap on it to open it. Then you want to tap on this button down here, which is the adjustments button. In here, you want to tap on crop, and then tap on this icon up here, and then tap on the landscape, which is the sideways or horizontal rectangle. You can tap on play here to watch the video in this orientation to see if it displays how you want it. You can move it around. You can't squeeze it very much to fit more data in there. All you have is the widescreen width to work with, so it's full width. It just cuts the top and bottom down to be landscape. And if you're happy with the results, just tap on done, and then this video is going to be changed to be horizontal. So let's do that. Now that video that was vertical is right here, and it's horizontal. Pretty simple to do. That did, however, use the original video. So this video is no longer in portrait form on our phone, only in landscape. If you want to get back to the original, tap on these three dots up here, tap on revert to original. Now we have our portrait size back. If you want to have both versions, you want to keep the portrait version and also create a landscape version, tap on these three dots up here again, tap on duplicate, which is going to make a copy of the video. And then you can adjust one of them the way we did in this video to make it landscape, and the other one will stay as portrait. If you do a lot of video work and photo work, you're probably running out of space on your phone all the time. So you gotta check out this video right here where I show you how to empty the various trash cans on your phone to get more space. I can almost guarantee you'll get some amount of space back, and maybe even a lot. I've seen some people in the comments say they got 10 gigabytes of space back by clearing these trash cans. So check out that video. If you got value from this video right here, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that next one.